Hi, my name is Walid. I'm coming from Chicago. I found Perfect Smile by internet. I have a lot of review. It's good clinic. I like the people, treatment, and professional. So kind. I got make a 4 implant upper level and 4 low level. I'm gonna make new denture, and he gonna do the best or get better smile. Experience, really, I'm really happy, so professional, so kind. I love Dr. Fernanda, and everything is good. I got the prosthesis, full dental affairs, Zirconia, and giving good job. Love my smile.
Would you recommend this?
Of course, 100%.